What's Daddy got? What's Daddy got?
Crazy ass.
Anthony, back up. What's Daddy got? What's he got? Is that good? Yeah? What's he doing?
It's hot.
I don't care. Is that good? Was that good? Yeah?
Sick house.
Lick the air.
He tries to catch it with his tongue as it goes in the trash can. You ever noticed that, Mom? Froggy power.
Pick it up.
He tries to grab it with his tongue as it goes down. Froggy power.
Is that good? You just can't stop licking your lips, can you?
Hell the heck no. Oxtails are good. My God. I want you over there.
Anthony, stop.
Can't stand still.
It excites him. Makes him more enjoyable to watch.
Lick the air. Seriously, stop. You know, it's a lot funnier when you don't give him any.
Done with all the bones. I'm just going to do some more.
What's he got?
That's what I'm giving.
Is that good?
The bristle ain't hard at all. It's just bristle.
Is that good?
My God, that's it. That's it, man. Go away, man.
Get your butt down.
What?
No better than jumping up on no counters around here.
Is that good? Coco. Yeah. Like, Daddy, please drop some more. Please, Daddy,
That's it,
please.
This is all meat here. I
Let's
can't
put
help
some
you.
peanut butter in his mouth.
Oops, I got one more. I just found one more.
His nose is flaring. It's fun to watch his nose go. You catching his nose actions?
You can't stand it. What's your point?
Yeah, lick the floor. Clean my floor.
He's like in a slip on his way down.
Okay, that's it. You go lay down.
Yeah, right. Hmm.